my son to do it. And because I'm telling him this is the best thing you could do for your future. I mean, this can change your whole life. It did ours.
Tom here, FlipAnything USA. So today I have a couple that are just an awesome power group. They've already, what have you done? 4 houses now? It's Shane and Dee Dee, George.
We're on our 5th deal.
Wow.
Fifth deal.
5th deal. So so Shane and Dee Dee got in the class, I would say almost 2 years ago now.
Yeah, I think right after the first year, it's 2 years.
Right. And in the first 7 months, you had made 13,000 on your first deal, about 100 on the second. And then you did a third deal. And 115. That was another house. Right? Third one was condo.
Yeah.
Okay. And then they got a 4th deal. And why don't you tell me about that? Because that's one of the more recent ones.
So I got that we did, and ended up a family member was real interested, a step nephew looking for a house, and so we walked away for 50,000. We closed on it Friday.
Right, and now I remember that property. I remember looking at it with Shane, and
yeah,
he could have made 100 grand on this deal. He handed it off to a fellow member in the family. That member walked in with 50,000 plus equity day one. Shane still made 50 grand. And now tell me about your 5th deal.
So we got it a week after the house, and it's another condominium, and we paid 110. We probably got 20 in it probably. And so we're thinking we'll sell somewhere around 230, 240, somewhere there. I mean, it's just like floors. We did put cabinets this time. We had bad cabinets, floors, paint everything real well.
And you're in the 5th unit right now?
Yeah, we're sitting in it. That's the new cabinet.
Oh, that's awesome. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years. We do these meetings, our mentorship meetings where the community is. And a lot of times is somebody, like Shane and Dee Dee, you'll see them working on the unit and you want to take a break and come and talk. And so it's really a cool thing. I'll probably grab some clips from that.
We're in work clothes now. Yeah. She doesn't usually wear flannels, but she's painting today.
It's really cool, just seeing you guys work together and doing so well. And so really you've made, what is it, about 350 now?
Yeah, just right, maybe right over.
And in 2 years, what a nice side kick, side deal to have going on. So, so tell me, folks like to know that that they really truly get mentored, right? When you reach out to me, I've always been there, right?
Yes, easy to get a hold of. Keep everything simple is what I like, to where, I was a novice and I can understand everything. And, now I'm starting to understand a lot more with everybody in the class. I wanted to maybe do commercial, but I mean, it's just so easy to get started, That's what I thought I liked about it.
Talking about the community where you've seen other people had success like yourself. What could you tell people about the community in your experience?
Everyone's super helpful. So knowledgeable. I mean, there's some guys in there that, I can't believe, at what level they're at, honestly, and everybody's willing to help. And if you got something going on, you'll get called away, and one of the other guys takes over class, and you don't miss a beat, really.
What Shane's expressing is I'll do a live mentorship Zoom on a Saturday. And like I said, there's people that haven't done quite as well as Shane yet, but there's other people that have done, 2, 3, 4, 5 times as much. And they've been in a little bit longer, but, we've got people that made, Shane's getting close to $500,000. We got people that made $1 million, couple million, 3 million, 4 million now. And so it's multiple millionaires, and it really is like a brain trust. I'm in the field. Sometimes I gotta go. And so I can cut away. And Shane, I could let Shane take over the class to a degree in talking about what they've done. And because everybody gets a very quick education. And every time you do a deal, you learn a little bit more. And you just just build that knowledge base, and it serves you the rest of your life. You can, teach it to other people, pass it on to your kids or whatever. Start flipping the residential like Shane and Dee Dee are. Well, eventually we roll into commercial, industrial, and offices, and where you can actually go buy something kind of big, and then that may just take care of you year round, and then you still have a little money left over to continue to do what you did to get where you are. You'll own a piece of commercial property in no time. That I'm convinced, you know. And what's kind of cool is so these folks are in a town of about what, 4,500, 5,000? It's not a big community, right?
No, it's about 13,000.
13,000. And so a lot of people think, well, is my community too small? Well, Dee and Shane together have made over 350 now by the time they finish this next deal. What would you tell a family member or a friend if they were considering this? What would you say?
I would say this, well, I want my son to do it. And because I'm telling him this is the best thing you could do for your future. You know, I mean, this can change your whole life. It did ours. And I don't know money you could spend, more well spent money that you could put out there, really.
It really is amazing. People don't realize just how fast your life can change. And I mean, is it fair to say you probably have more cash in your hands than you ever had in your lifetime, correct? Is that fair to say?
Ever. And I thought I've done pretty good, at times, and it doesn't compare to this.
It's the quickest, fastest, most profitable education there is. Wouldn't you agree?
Oh, definitely, without a doubt.
And I hear it from people that spent 6 years in college, with degrees of all different types. There's just nothing like real estate. There's nothing like it. So Shane, anytime you needed to reach out, you always got support, right?
Anytime, a text, a phone call, you respond very quick. And I mean, a couple of times I've needed you pretty quick, and you were right there. And that's been one of the biggest benefits of the whole class.
Thanks for taking time, and I'll let you all go and look forward to seeing what your next deal is. And I appreciate you sharing with the folks.
All right. I'll see you Saturday. Thanks, Tom.
All right. Thank you, Dee.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. We'll see you on Saturday. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.